In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track inventory in Shopify. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the login button, usually at the top right, and click it. Sign in using your preferred method, whether that's your email or one of the connected platforms you've set up. Complete your sign in as you normally would, so you land in your Shopify admin. Once you're in the admin, glance over to the left-hand panel and click on Products. This is where all your items, variants, and inventory options live. From there, open the inventory section. This view is designed to help you quickly understand what's in stock, what's running low, and what's sold out. You'll see products listed with columns for quantities, including available and on-hand numbers. Here's a quick clarification to make the page easier to read. On-hand is the total quantity physically at your location, while available is what you can actually sell, which is on-hand minus anything already committed to orders. If you manage multiple locations, check the location selector at the top to make sure you're editing the right place. To change quantities, find the product or variant you want to update. You'll see the current numbers and an option to make adjustments. Click the drop-down button beside the stock number. This opens the adjustment menu where you can choose to adjust available or move items to unavailable if you need to temporarily hold them back from being sold. Next, add how much you want to adjust by. Use a positive number when you're receiving more items into stock and a negative number when you're writing off damaged, lost, or returned items that can't be resold. Keeping these adjustments precise helps your reporting and prevents overselling. You'll also be prompted to select a reason for the change. Pick the option that best reflects what's happening, like received, corrected, or damaged. Choosing the right reason creates a clear audit trail so you can trace changes later and understand trends in shrinkage or supply. After you enter the adjustment and reason, the table will refresh to show the updated counts. You'll immediately see which items are now in stock, which are still low, and which remain sold out. This makes it simple to identify what needs reordering and what's ready to promote. That's it. You went to shopify.com, logged in, navigated to products, opened inventory, reviewed your stock levels, used the drop-down beside the quantity to adjust availability or move items to unavailable, entered the adjustment amount, and selected a reason. With these steps, your inventory stays accurate and your store runs smoothly.